today on this beautiful morning, having a breakfast together during COVID.
Yeah.
And look what we have. Some spiced pecan pumpkin pancake mix from Williams-Sonoma.
And we're bringing in the fall, and we're going to try it out on the table grill.
Yay! We're
Sorry,
doing our pancakes today.
Okay.
Grill's already going, right?
Yeah, the grill is already hot. So we're going to take a little butter first. Give a little thing of butter. And I'm going to take a little bit. And I'm going to actually put it on my spatula so I don't touch the grill with my metal.
Yeah, you
So
guys
it's
want to use
not
something non-stick or, heat resistant. That's the big thing, right?
We have it on 3 right now.
I think a little lower, Em. I think 2.5.
2.5.
The Dash grills have numbers, and so once you get used to kind of what that number relates to, then it makes it a little easier to guess. The side of it, see, we have our mix right here, and it's in a plastic container, and it's right up against the side of it, but that's cool there, so that's really
why
a great feature.
And the cool thing about this pancake mix is that it has pecans in it. And I'm really excited because I love pecans or walnuts in my pancakes or waffles. It adds a little bit of texture, and that's really my favorite. So I'm going to add a little mix on here.
And I kind of half cook this bacon, and that way we can kind of just crispen it up on the grill. I prefer to do it this way so that it doesn't have too much splatter, and then also isn't as messy.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's, and everybody can cook it to the crispness that they like.
We have also some apple to put inside or on top. We can saute that.
Yeah, I thought that sounded really good.
And we have a little mango for the side. We love these mango chunks that they sell at Costco. They're frozen, we thaw them, but every single chunk is ripe, and every one is so delicious.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. And it's a pretty nice fall color. It looks a little bit like butternut squash.
Tastes a little bit better.
No, we like butternut squash.
We like butternut
though.
squash, but it has its time and place, right?
It does. And not in my pancakes.
Actually, I feel like some people have done that before.
I feel like if you put the
Guess
right
don't knock it
ingredients,
till
it'd be
you try
like
it, right?
making zucchini.
So I'm going to put a little
muffins or
apple
something, right?
on the grill. Dang, you know what? Zucchini muffins are really good. And then I'm going to add that to my apples.
So the thing I like about this is we have it's a nice little thing to have when you just have a lazy morning and nobody's in a hurry and everybody can make their own food. That looks really
Oh, you
good.
didn't make it
I haven't yet. I thought I'd get that bacon going so that when this is done, my bacon will be done. I was kind of timing it.
I honestly think my bacon's going to be done at the same time.
Kind of nice thing is nobody is slaving at the stove.
Trying to get everything ready for everybody else.
Yeah, just kind of figure out
We also have some orange juice.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers. I kind of did it backwards.
Nice. Yeah, we're enjoying just having a little quiet time, and if you can cook together, and
it's like,
yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone a little bit.
I was going to
I
say,
started
you're a little
start messing
habit.
with it. Yes.
It cooks really well, and it actually
It
flows
cooks
fast
fast.
kind of nicely. I'm almost done, actually. Oh, I am done. Okay. Oops. Let me just get that off of there. Put it on my plate.
I'm just gonna put my apples inside.
I'm gonna put mine on
I
top
should
with
put
some syrup.
another.
We have some real maple syrup to add on top.
Oh, we also have a little more pecans. It has quite a bit of pecans in there. I thought it might taste really good to grill some of the pecans. They'll get really nice nutty flavor on the grill. You could put a little bit of maple syrup on it and make them kind of candied. I don't know. We can try.
You can try.
With a little butter.
So these I think are just as sauteed as you want them to be.
So when you start seeing the bubbles pop as they come to the top, that's when you know the other side is done. So, there we go.
Mine's a little bit darker than yours, I think.
Yeah, I kind of like a
back over.
go. Well, I think I'll let that side go for a little bit longer. You always have yours done before me.
Maybe it's just something about the grill.
Don't they?
Also, the bacon leaves behind the bacon grease on the grill, and if you want, you can cook your pancakes and everything else in that. I mean, it does have that slight like bacony taste, but you know what? That's never bad.
No, that's a wonderful thing, especially when it has to do with pancakes. So you can, that's another thing is, part cook it a little bit or
Oh,
not.
you can even add some maple syrup onto your bacon and make maple bacon. You could.
You know what we need to do is some bacon that's maple jalapeno on the
Oh,
grill.
I love that kind of stuff.
That would be really good,
That'd be so
right?
yummy.
Okay.
We
We
come
have
up with
plans,
ideas every
right?
time. Okay, so I think my bacon's done. To my taste. I mean, I do like really, really like burnt bacon.
You like burnt bacon?
I
I
like
like
burnt
that
bacon.
right before it's
You know what?
super
I'm
crisp.
not gonna let it burn, but I'm gonna let it
Really get.
really get done. I
Okay.
like really done bacon.
Well, in the meantime, you could put down another
Yeah, I'm gonna put
pancake
another
if you're
pancake.
wanting.
So I'll have a couple.
And
Actually,
have like one more reserve or two reserve there.
yeah, I'm gonna.
I put the apple
well,
in mine. Oh, you put yours on top. See, that's the nice thing. You can do whatever you want, and
Oops, I kind of.
you can make.
It's got a
the-
little bit runny. I'm gonna pour a little maple syrup on top. I'm gonna try this while my others are cooking. Yeah.
And I'm a funny maple syrup eater. I prefer to dip it, but I'm holding off today. I'm not doing dipping.
You're not?
No, I'm not going
Surprised,
to do
okay.
a separate thing.
Moment of truth, guys.
Okay.
Mmm.
Are they good? Okay. I'm excited.
It's like a hint of pumpkin.
This looks about there.
Very like cinnamony, very fall tasting. Like pumpkin spice almost.
Oh, nice. Okay. Then I'm going to wait to enjoy that on
Mm.
top.
And it's got that nice
I
crunch
think
of
you
the
need to get it
pecan.
in the bottom. It's really a lot thicker.
Like I don't think that one has that many pecans in it, so I'm gonna add some. Mine.
Oh, yeah. I think you missed it. I think you were getting maybe the top batter.
I probably
It
was.
looks like everything's sunk to the bottom a little bit. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
And put my bacon on there too.
Also the apples on top. So good. I like my apples done, but not mushy.
Yeah. And
When they have that give, but that's still a little crisp to them. Especially when I'm baking apples and good, like in baked goods and stuff. Like I have a muffin recipe that I really, really love. And I don't like it when the apples almost become part of the muffin. You want them to be, like they still have their texture so you get that extra crunch, right? And that could just be my personal preference, but
Oh, so good.
so good, right?
It's so good. Okay. This
Yum,
is
yum.
it up. Yeah. Again, this is the spiced pecan pumpkin pancake mix from Williams-Sonoma. Williams-Sonoma, we love you. Look
So
at this.
good. Okay. I think my bacon is done.
Oh yeah, you're so.
Oh, I wanted it
First
to be crispy.
So I was wanting mine all done so that I could eat a bite of it with my pancake.
I just have a little pancake
I
left.
have the
Okay, I'm gonna put some more down.
These grills, if you have a bigger table, obviously this is a little breakfast table, but you could get 4 to 6 people at the grill, and everybody's making their own pancakes. If you have a mix that doesn't have pecans or something chunky in it, then you could actually use some squirt bottles and make little shapes or just to make little miniature ones.
They're so good.
Okay, this is definitely a hit.
That bacon was popping over there. You know what? Fingers.
Sometimes you just gotta dig in.
That's more like bite size though.
I'm really glad you joined us today. I hope you learned something. And definitely look up Williams-Sonoma
Yeah.
and Dash. And I'll put all the links below.
Happy fall, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.